Welcome back to another video. Nice weather. So the Sylvia is on my patio. The plan today is to take all this fence down, replace these posts. It's 3 there, put a new one in down here, another one here against the wall, just going up here, and then run a beam along the wall here, put a roof on it. So I've got like an outdoor sheltered area, so I can actually do some work on that, because the British weather is so hit and miss. Might be like this, really nice, and then 10 minutes later it's pissing down. So I need to move all this shit, take this all out, get a new post in, work out the height that I want them to be, cut them, put them in, put the fences back in once I've got the frame along the top of it. I'm going to put another post here as well, so I'm going to extend it about another 6 foot. So it's about, if you can work it out, it's about 6 metres front to back, and it's 3 metres wide here and 2.5 metres wide between the buildings. So I'll stick a time lapse on and you can watch it all unfold. got this top part done, so I need to trim it off and trim all of these bows, but we thought just in case we've got to adjust it slightly, because this height is 2150 and we're going to do 2100 here, so there's a slight fall. Of course it doesn't need to be pitched, you know what I mean, but just a slight flat roof fall, and then we'll put a gutter on the outside. But as it stands, you've got that posting over there, that's chem fixed and sorted. This one done as well, obviously all of this. So today we get length along here, and then we get a post up this side as well, and hopefully start putting the joists for the roof on. Once that's done, I can measure it and order the sheet that I'm going to put on it, because the sheet's quite expensive, so I didn't want to over order or under order when I could have got a deal, so I thought I'd build it and then order it. Well, Great British weather has struck again. Got this bit in and all the way along here, so we can start putting the roof struts in. But I'm pissed wet through, and I think it's going to be on and off now for probably most of the day. So my mullet's wet, but it is what it is. So gonna call it there till this rain stops entirely, and then hopefully should go in pretty quickly now. So yeah. So in and out the rain. It's just started raining again, but we got these on, so that's already solid. Doesn't go fucking anywhere really, so I'm happy with that. My only thing is obviously this joint here, there's a bit of wiggle in it, but I think if it flexes it won't snap. So obviously got this bit here to do. I need to get a couple more of them because I think I've only got 5 left. Obviously the 3 to go here and then an extra one, so I'll need across the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 or so another pack of 10. Because originally I was going to do 600 centers, but I've opted to do Christ almighty, 400 centers. So depending on the sheet I get, it makes life easier screwing it down, actually attaching it to it. So, but it's about half a bubble full. Looks pretty level, but there is actually a fall on it. If you can look on that, see. Now I can put a gutter in along the outer edge, and then I'm going to flash this all along here, so stop water obviously permeating through the brick, and then it should just go around the corner into the gutter, off into that, down the bottom of the garden. But yeah, I'm going to call it there before I get absolutely soaked like I did earlier, and then finish it off tomorrow. The weather's nice. Right, so that's finished. I didn't bother filming the last part of it because the rain's been on and off, so I've just sort of been in and out getting bits done. But that's the roof done and all sorted. So it's 6 meters long, 3 meters wide, so I can now order a roof for it. And then we'll put some lights in here and just make it ideal. And then I can start working on the 14 under shelter when it's days like today, nice weather, pissing down, nice weather, pissing down. So, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with what we got. So I'll call it there, and then give you a little update at some point once I've bought the roof and got that installed. So thanks for watching, see you next one.